Are you increasing your Facebook ads budget but your results are getting worse? Same ad, same audience but higher cost and lower ROI. In this video, I will show you the exact Facebook ads budget scaling techniques to grow your result without killing your performance. There are 5 sections. Section 1, the problem. Most beginners make one big mistake. They suddenly increase their budget from $5 to $20 or more. And what happens? CPM goes up, cost per result increases, ROAS drops. Why? Because the Facebook algorithm gets confused. Section 2, what is the budget scaling? Budget scaling means increasing your ad spend on winning campaigns step by step without hurting performance. The goal is simple: more sales, stable performance, higher or consistent ROAS. Section 3, scaling techniques. Vertical scaling, increase budget slowly. Vertical scaling means increasing the budget of the same campaign gradually. A rule increase by only 20% to 30% every 24 to 48 hours. Example, $5 to $6 to $8 to $10. Never jump too fast. Horizontally scaling duplication strategy. This is the powerful strategy. Duplicate your winning ad set. Test different audience. For example, lookalike audience, interest targeting, broad targeting benefits. Lower risk, more reach. Scaling with CBO, campaign budget optimization. With CBO, Facebook automatically distributes your budget to the best performing and ad sets. Tips: use at least 2 to 3 winning ad sets. Increase budget gradually, best for advanced scaling. Scale only winning ads. Don't scale everything. Only scale ads that have low cost per result, high CTR, good ROAS, no data, no scaling. Section 4, common mistake. Avoid this mistake: increasing budget too fast, scaling new ads too early, ignoring data, no waiting for the learning phase. Remember, scaling is the patient game. Section 5 is the last section. It's the pro tips. Here are some pro tips personally use. Wait at least 2 to 3 days before scaling. Always test multiple creatives. Use retargeting campaigns. Track everything with pixel and KPI. Data is king. Call to action. If you want to scale your ads profitably, start using these techniques today. Comment, scale, and I will help review your campaign. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Marketing with Nazmul channel. See you in the next video. Thank you so much. Assalamu alaikum.